Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Yes, toilet bowl cleaner. Now, most people absolutely dread having to clean their toilets. It's a chore that is probably one of the grossest and the most annoying that you will probably ever find, and it's it's just not anything you'd want to do. I mean, but you have to, some people do it for a living. If you're going to do it, you need to do it right. I use this Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Okay, now it really does make the job a lot easier. It really does. It also disinfects, which is right up my alley. I am a big advocate of killing germs and viruses and bacteria, anything that might give you a stomach flu or, some kind of a cold or anything. I just like to keep things real sanitary. It's just my thing. So I have used this Lysol for probably a good maybe 2 years now, and it works very, very well. It's pretty strong. I like the whole blueness of it. It comes out really blue. Like, okay, check this out. You see that? I mean, that's how it looks. So, and it's shaped like curved like this, so it's kind of effortless to get it underneath the toilet bowl and just spray it all around like that, in a circle. Isn't that cool how they made that? I mean, if this was like just completely straight up, you'd have to twist your wrist, which people probably had to do before they decided to make this kind of swan neck type of bottle. Yeah, but that was a good idea, and it works. It makes life a whole lot easier when you're, clean your toilet bowl out, and you get it out, you get it in there, and you see the whole blue ring go around the whole inside, and it covers that whole thing, and then you can like take your brush and just scrub it down in there. It really gets underneath, and getting underneath is a real important thing, because a lot of times people, when they clean, they don't really think about underneath that little ridge under there where the bowl is. They don't really think about it. I mean, they do, but then they you can look inside and you can see that the toilet is clean without looking under that ridge there, and this makes it so you can get up under that ridge and get all the grit and grime and nastiness that's underneath there. It's a great tool. It really is. It's a really nicely shaped bottle that really does the job like it's supposed to. Yeah, and it's powerful. I mean, the Lysol cleaning solution, this chemical, it's very, very strong. It gets out the grime, and it gets out, I mean, it makes it so you don't have to scrub very hard. I mean, a lot of times I've been to certain people's houses and I've seen some dirty toilets, stains, and like, oh my God, it's like, you guys need to do something. This takes care of it. This takes care of all of that. I mean, it really does, and it makes it so you don't have to work very hard at all. And I mean, you have to do some scrubbing. It's not like back breaking or anything. It's just, with your little scrub brush with the handle, get in there, and those bristles will, work alongside the Lysol and get it all taken care of. It will be just fine after that. You will see that you won't have a problem after that. And on top of all of it, you have disinfected that toilet bowl, and you can sit down without worrying about catching the stomach flu, because Lysol, it kills 99.9 of viruses and bacteria. That is the huge selling point for me. I mean, outside of its cleaning factor, it makes it so you don't have to worry about getting cooties. Yeah, it's really good and it's powerful. It really works. I've used it for a long time now, and yeah, I'll recommend this to anybody. It's really, really a good deal, and this curved bottle is a great idea. Whoever came up with that is kudos to you. All right, guys. Well, this is the Lysol Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye-bye.